Hey guys, welcome to a brand new video. So today we're gonna open the JBL Flip 6, the JBL Flip 5 and the JBL Flip 4 to see how they sound without the cover. The reason I can't just do full teardown because I already ruined the Flip 5 screws inside, so I can't open them properly, so it would be unfair to compare a speaker with the full screw where you have a airtight, trying out the speaker without the screws, without the airtight, and it will sound bad. Let me open all the three speakers cases and we're gonna try and see how these sound. So first I'm gonna open the Flip 6. Then it's quite easy to open actually, just need a screwdriver, just hold it on the both sides, pretty much pop open. So you have the driver on here and you have the tweaker on the side. It's look really nice with and without the cover. When you come to the covers, it's cool, quite a simple cover, so you can pop them open. Just opening the side is the hard part, so if you open that, it's quite easy to open the rest. Exactly the same thing. You can see there is no tweaker, only just the driver on the side. Again, it's the same kind of a similar mesh compared to the Flip 6. Very basic, even the look of it if you look at it. So you have the Flip 4, you have the Flip 5 and you have the Flip 6. You don't get any tweakers, you have drivers, and pretty much all of the JBL speakers, both the JBL Flip 5 and the Flip 4, all of them are mono speakers. They are not a stereo audio. Flip 6, when you're connecting two JBL speakers together, you can actually get a stereo or mono speakers, depends on which speaker you are connecting to. When you come to the look of the speakers, you can see the difference how they are. All of them are pretty much same size, slightly smaller, slightly wider. The body of the speaker is pretty much identical. Really good speakers in my opinion. All three speakers, regardless which one you buy, it is a really good investment in my opinion, because the audio qualities remain the same regardless of how many years you have. It's able to hold the battery quite well. 12 hours of battery. I still get around 11 hours with the JBL Flip 4. I had it for over three or 4 years. I use them daily and I still get a really good battery, and every time I connect it with the multiple speakers, I still can tell the difference between the JBL speakers and the other speakers because of the audio quality alone. Now we're going to try the audio and see which one is going to be the sound the best.
With you, the sun is shining 24/7. 'Cause when we're together, it feels like we're in heaven if we're together. With you, the sun is shining 24/7. 'Cause when we're together, it feels like we're in heaven if we're together. With you, the sun is shining 24/7. 'Cause when we're together, it feels like we're in heaven if we're together.
So all three speakers sound freaking amazing for the bass as well as the vocal. I really enjoyed all three speakers. If I'm going to pick a speaker out of this, I will go with the JBL Flip 6 for the audio as well as the features. The Flip 6 comes with a really loud audio. 5 and the Flip 4, they have around 20 watts of audio output. On the Flip 6, it's coming with 30 watts of audio output. Watch quite a lot of videos, listen to quite a lot of songs. So far there is no delay between the Flip 4, Flip 5 or the Flip 6, even though all three of them have a different Bluetooth model. I really enjoyed all three of the speakers, but if I'm considering buying a new speaker, I will go with the Flip 6 over the Flip 5 or the Flip 4. So the main reason being you're only spending £30 more, but you will get more on the audio as well as a better audio quality, where you can actually go to the JBL EQ app and you can actually play around with the setting to get a much better audio. Hope you guys enjoy the video. Let me know which speaker you think sound the best. Like the video, leave the comments below, and I will see you guys on the next video. Bye bye.